it's everything. It needs to be 100%, because that's our quality in our brand.
I can't even think of a project where we didn't at some point have a specified color that we didn't use the NCS system for reference somehow. It is completely part of every project that we do.
Since we are working with NCS, I just have to compare products which are 20 years old and the current products, and you see the clear difference.
There are a lot of different ways of communicating color, but NCS is the only sort of systematic way of working with it.
NCS Plus, being such an interactive, easy to go, playful in a way tool, is enabling us as Tarkett to also share the knowledge of NCS, and all the architects really are super enthusiastic and want to use and to play with NCS Plus.
This is exactly the tool I was looking for when I started my career.
I think NCS is the most fantastic language you can get. It is a way how you can communicate.
From Middle East to UK, from the super yacht designers to the guys in Switzerland, everyone accepts the system.